It was back probably in the summer of about 1952, which was only about 4 or 5 months after I started to work at Ampex. Ampex had been looking at stereo sound. Walt Selstead, the chief engineer, probably knew as much about it as anybody in that company, maybe the world, I don't know. He wanted to put together a demonstration system for the board of directors, that type of management. And so he had me put together a system which was just incredible. I took 5 very expensive microphones and put them on the street out in front of our building at 934 Charter Street in Redwood City, California. Each one of these microphones was probably 40 or 50 feet apart, so that it covered quite a bit of the street. The wires from the microphones came into the building and went to amplifiers and went to a multi-channel audio recorder. This was going to be live stereo sound. Russ Snyder, who was very much involved at the time and interested in this thing, of course, got into his Jaguar out in the street and went racing down the street in front of these microphones, and I was making the recording of this sound inside of the building. After he parked his car and came in, I played this back. We had 5 beautiful big Ampex loudspeakers up sitting in front of across the front of this room, and we played back this sound from the tape, and we heard that car run right through the front of that room. Unbelievable. My first exposure to stereo sound. We then played that tape back for the board of directors the next day, and they gave full-blown permission to start stereo sound at Ampex. And Ampex sound went on from there to lots of great things.